Dear student, as you know, this particular program I have explained to you how I have plotted the histogram. Now I will bring another new program based on a very small declaration. So very small declaration. The program is here. In this particular program, you see that I have used the histogram and I have drawn the histogram in the particular manner of declaration. Here you see a new pattern of declarations is there. So in this new pattern of declaration, okay, fine. So in this new pattern of declaration, what is there? The histogram has been plotted. Okay. So this is the what histogram is. Another phase or another part of histogram. Now what I have said here, import matplot dot py plot as plt. Now import numpy as np. So I am calling two things. One is matplotlib, one is numpy. Here now y equals to np dot random. Okay, np dot random. That means you are giving the machine to work on the particular function that is called an randn. What is the highest value? 1000. You have given the highest value. So based on 1000, it will going to calculate the thing in a random way. Calling what? Calling your matplotlib and numpy. So based on that matplot, it will going to calculate the total values what has been there, and randomly it will going to execute the different pattern of values based on the calculation that you have stored, that has been stored by the programmer. So there, what is your work? Your work that you have defined that how many number or how many part of numbers you want to execute. You have given here 1000. You can give your 10. You can give your 20,000. Anything. So this the number you are giving. Obviously, it will going to make an impact on it. So based on the calculation, what you find that it will going to find you or find for you the particular calculation that up to 300 in this particular axis. I haven't given the name of x axis. I sorry, I haven't given the name of y axis, and even if I didn't given any legend here, I didn't given the header of the title, nothing I have used. Only a very simple what histogram. So this is a picture of the histogram that is there, that is in front of you. Okay, so this is the calculation process that is used based on only one value of y. Okay, based on only one value of y, your histogram has been calculated. Then you can ask where the x value. X value has been calculated based on y only. On what? On the base of a random. Okay, so it is taking the y as a random, but based on y the value of x is also calculated. So see here, value of x is what? Can you see? Value of x is from minus 4 to plus 4. So based on that, the range is over, isn't it? So these are the things, these are the particular sections, how your different type of graph you can create, histogram you can create by in a simple way also, in an elaborate process also. But you have to learn the simple way first nicely and elaborate process also, because you require the elaborate process to execute your histogram. Okay, so this is what you find it, that your histogram will going to work. This is you find how the histogram will going to work and histogram will going to create it. Okay, this is the creations of your histogram. This is the creation of your histogram phase. So basically what, concentrating on the y value, your x value has been calculated. So what I have called here, matplotlib dot pyplot numpy. Two things I have called here. One is matplotlib dot pyplot, another one is numpy. Calling these two things, I am creating the histogram.